This is going to be a walk around of the Honda Element camper. So I'm just doing a small little walk around, and I'll be showing you what this car has and what I see. So it's a 2007 Honda Element camper. Let's go inside real quick. It's a very, very nicely kept interior, super clean. Everything is super clean. So it does have the extra carpet that I've added. Everything is in nice condition, so it's been kept up really, really nice. It's got these cloth seats. Let me show you from the back as well, and I'll show you. I'll pop up the Element, the camper side of it. So on these Element campers, what you can do is you can actually put the seats out backwards. It's really nice. Like this, you can go inside and kind of like hang out and look out the back. In order to get the camper open, so you need to, there's a latch right over here, and you have to undo the other side real quick, and some from the inside. You basically, there are two levers, red and red on each side. Kind of go inside and push it. I don't know if I showed. You push it up, and that's the beautiful camper. So anything flying in here into the car. So it sleeps two on top right here. It's very comfortable. As you can see, I'm standing up right now, and there's plenty of headroom. But to get in there, you basically kind of jump on there, jump on here, close, get those cushions down, put them back here, slide the other side, put it here, and you're good. Here you can also put this down too if you need it. I've never used it. This just basically is to help so that the shocks, the dampers don't get worn out too fast. You've got a light here. I think you have two lights, right there. There's a USB port, and this is the nice thing about the USB port is it's even if you have the ignition switch off, you can still charge the phone. So it's hot wired. That's it. Yep, right there. And there, that's another one right there. Very clean. You can open this, or you can open just this side. Get some fresh air in. You can open it all the way. You get fresh air inside. But you got a mosquito net here so that you don't have any mosquitoes. Or there's an also added another socket right over here, also hot wired, so it's always connected, which is nice. And then there's a factory one right over here. Also, another cool little feature with these campers is you have your hand. You can open, like this is on the original Elements. It doesn't have a handle, so it's got a handle, so you can open up the gate right over here. Let's look at it from the outside. This is what it looks like from the outside. And to close this, it's fairly simple to close it. Can you give me a hand, please? Close it. Start with this. Stand on this. Clamp it. You have to clamp it in. Once it's clamped in, one lever, another lever, and you're pretty much ready to roll. It has a little bit of a paint feel right over here, and a little bit, I think, on the front. There's one right here and one in the bumper. These are the major flaws that I saw, but that's, other than that, everything's really nice. There's no rust on the car. I've lifted it up. I've lifted the vehicle before, and I have a couple videos here. I don't have it here, but there's no rust on the car at all. This is a California vehicle.